the J2534 XTS500 from XTOOL is an OBD scanner with laptop. Plug it in, use the cables, and program your car. What we're going to do is just briefly demonstrate the product, show you what you get inside. The XTOOL module, as we remove, it has a clip that holds into place. On the opposite side, the USB-C. Inside our packages, simply remove the packaging. We have a dongle, Bluetooth 4.2, the scanner cable, instructions on how to use, a lanyard strap, a USB-C to C cable with the USB-A to C adapter. For further information about the software that could be downloaded via on-site. J2534 Toolbox Driver V1.14. Install. When opening the program via Wi-Fi, wireless, or dongle, proceed to the car, plug in, and ready to use. The extension cable allows for easier access to the USB-C cable and port. When plugging in, we have a green light indicator, and the opposite end goes into the laptop. We follow the instructions provided on the laptop. Following the information provided, we have a serial number, firmware version, unauthorized feedback. We have a settings for language, version, log, DIOP mode. As we close out, the subscription brand, we locate the car. We have a refresh and active. In the settings, we could choose English, check for updates, and save the information. We are hooked up via the dongle wireless to the unit, and we're able to get in and communicate and work the unit around. These are just some of the things you can do. The XTS500 J2534 diagnostic scanning programming tool for your car's needs. Windows 7 and above only, not Macintosh at all. You have here a lanyard strap so you can go from car to car and wirelessly with the Bluetooth 4.2 dongle on Wi-Fi to the unit without the wire. If a USB-C port is not have, we have a USB-A adapter. Enjoy your product if this is what you're looking for in the XTOOL. So if you're looking for an XTOOL diagnostics programming tool, this tool may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.